Hello everybody, Mike here. So we have the Best Choice products. It's a 12-volt ride-on car truck. So it does have the remote control with it. So I've had it about a year now. Still working fine. Happy to report with one of my other cars that I have, it actually does not work anymore. It keeps restarting. It makes that restarting sound and it doesn't move, right? And then this one actually makes that noise sometimes, but it still seems to work fine, so that's good. So overall, this is a very popular product. It's a bestseller, budget friendly. So it's been pretty nice. It's held up, right? It's kind of rugged. It's like a Jeep, so it's good kind of going over sticks and leaves and such. So it's nice. I would recommend it. And my son, he's really enjoyed it. He wanted to go out today. It's got the headlights, so we were kind of out there in the dark. So it's been pretty nice. So overall, it's a nice little product. And it should last you a few years for your son or your daughter. They come in different colors, so whatever you prefer.